What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to teaching you how you can go and get a job within 30 days. So if you are living in Mumbai or if you are living in all over the India or wherever you are there, if you go and understand what I'm going to teach you in this video, you are definitely going to get a job within 30 days. I'm going to go and tell you one secret tip that how you can go and find the job. Definitely you are going to get a call wherever you are. So first of all, what happens is people just upload their CV on one or two websites and expect they are going to get a call, but the reality is whoever the person who is sitting as an HR who is calling you that can you come for the interview has thousands of the CVs online. So how are they going to go and find you, and how are they going to go and contact you? So for that you have to go to like Naukri.com, Monster.com, one or two websites, or like 3 to 4 websites. You're not going to get a call, or you're not going to get a spot in front of the HR, and they're not going to open your CV. Your CV must be attractive, that's the another thing, but how are you going to go and get your name come in front of the HR team? So for that you have to go on Naukri.com, just upload your CV. I know you must have registered already, but if not, you have to go and register on Naukri.com because it's like too popular in India. As you can see, India's #1 job site. Alright, so you have to go and do that. Another one I'm going to go and mention is LinkedIn. Actually, people who are professional already know and already have a LinkedIn account. They have to go and mention your CV because LinkedIn is not like Facebook or Instagram or Twitter. It is for business purpose, and they are actually people who are hiring, people who are looking forward for your profile, and they just see that what kind of a profile do you have and what kind of a field you are looking forward for. They are going to hire you if they look forward for LinkedIn, and it's like professional. Don't make LinkedIn as a Facebook point of view. So it's for business and it's for hiring people. Alright, so number 3 is going to be Shine.com. So Shine.com, I didn't know that Shine.com was powerful until I just found out that they are giving you notification like all the time. Then whenever the new vacancy is available, whenever the new company is been registered, they are going to go and take the lead up from that, and they are going to go and blow up your email. So always check your email whenever you just register on self. I mostly log into my Gmail account almost every day, so you have to be active on your Gmail account or Yahoo or whatever you have done that. Of course, I think you must be having a Google account because a lot of the things are there in Google. So basically, if you are looking forward for the YouTube or looking forward for the Gmail or Android devices, you must be having Gmail account. So just go and log in whatever the email you have given to the website, and you have to mention your email address in your CV. Your CV must be attractive. If you have an experience, you can go and get the job easily. So if you're a fresher, I'm going to go and give you a tip in the end of the video, so make sure to watch this video until the end. So just go and register on Shine. Now comes a Times Job. So I have personally met Times Jobs employee, and I found out that Times Jobs people who are an HR team, they actually pay Times Job in order to find the good CV. So if you are uploading your CV on Times Job, they are going to go and hire you because they're actually paying Times Job. They want to go and find some good people. So Times Job is asking money not to you but the person who are actually seeing all of the profile. So if they are contacting you from Times Job, make sure your CV must be there online. So for that, what you have to do is, for like employee it's free, for employer it's paid. So what you have to do is just go on, type the skill I'm from Mumbai. If you have an experience, just enter that and click on find job. You will get all of the websites like 7 consultancy. People from consultancy are also going to contact you, right? So you're going to get some hiring call. Hotstar is also getting a digital marketer. So just go and apply if you have 2.5 experience. If not, for the fresher, I'm going to talk about after some time in the end of the video. So just look forward for like how many companies are actually there. Just go and contact these companies and give them a call, or just go to their website. They will have the email address. Send their CV on their email address, and that's how you can go and crack out and how you can go and get to the company. If the company get an email directly, of course they are going to read that, and your CV will be in front of the HR team. So that was the tip which I told you that I'm going to show you in the middle of the video. So now comes is Indeed.com. Now Indeed.com has too many jobs and they are actively there like every day. So Indeed.com is another one. Times Job is very quick. So it's like another one is Quicker Jobs. So Quicker Jobs is just not a name, they are actually quick. So they are going to go and get your CV in front of the audience within 1 or 2 days, and you are going to get some response quickly. So Quicker Jobs is another option. Now comes is Monster.com. I uploaded my CV on Monster.com. Like first CV I uploaded on internet was on Monster.com. I really don't know that why they are not getting like too quick response, but Monster.com is there and it's very old. So it's like more than a decade they have been in this industry. So your job is going to be there, your CV is going to appear, but I didn't got any response, so it's not a good feedback from Monster.com. But you have to upload your CV on all of the website which I'm mentioning if you want the job quickly as possible. Now comes the latest one. So Work India is, I don't know, but I just found out that Work India is there. And what thing is that I got the ads on my mobile phone, and from the ads I found out that they have a Android application and iOS application. So I just downloaded that and I just registered myself. I created my own CV over there. So I want to hire staff. So if you are like employer who want to hire someone, they give you option of that I want a job, so you can go with that as well. So they are not going to give you a phone number, you have to call them directly from Work India. So they have some kind of a monopoly, so you have to mention them, I'm calling you from, I found out your company from workindia.com and I want to get hired from your company, can I come for the interview? So you have to go and post your job, get advertisement job. So they are brand new. I don't know much about it, but I know like it's new, not into this business for a very long time, but you can go and get your registered. It's very quick, I must say. Every day, whenever the new post is there, they are going to go and there is a new vacancy right over there. There's a new person who wants to get interviewed. So they just keep on uploading. They are going to give you some leads on that. So you are going to get in front of the HR team. Now comes is asanjob.com. So this is the another one which has taken the eye from me. So I had got into contact with asanjobs.com. So you have to go and search for that. I'm a fresher, I want to get hired. Now I'm not going to go to speak because same thing, it's a good website. Now comes the fresher world. So as I told you that when you are fresher, you don't have any experience, where you can go and upload your CV. Fresher.com is like they will look for the young people, new face. They are looking for the people who are actually interested to learn. You're not going to get like most of the money, but you are going to get a job, you are going to get some experience out of it. And if you are going to get experience out of it, next month, or you must say 3 months, 6 months, you must be getting a training. If you are getting a training, you are going to get some experience, and from experience you can go and build yourself. You are going to get some much more confidence in you. So if you're looking forward for I'm in a college, I want a job just for like to learn something new, you have to go for the internship. Now how you can go and find out where is the internship going on right now? So there's an internshala.com. Here you have to go and like I'm from Mumbai, so I'm going to go with Mumbai. I want to do the job, so no thanks, I don't want any email right now. So there is a graphic designer available. So they are not going to give you like lot of money, but they are going to give you the expertise which you really need in order to get a job, in order to get your profile, in order to build yourself. So you're not going to get like money, but you are going to come get some like traveling expenses or some so on and so forth. So it's like 3 months, 6 months. It's not like long duration for like 1 year or something like that. So get your experience sometimes, and after that you can go and join for the bigger company. Or if you are good with presenting in front of the company, they might actually hire you after you have learned something. All right, so this is for 6 months. They are going to give you like 5,000 per month. It is for graphic designing. They have mentioned the company name, so you can go with that. You can go and find out the location. Just go and copy this one and open it in a new tab. You are going to get this. Just go and copy this name. Just go on Google Map and search for the company. If you get the details about that, you can directly contact through the company as well. So there you go. Just have to go and apply your CV. Just click on them that I want to get hired. Click on that. They're going to get a certificate that you have actually been hired by them. And after you have completed that, you are going to get, it has very nice option that you can go with Internshala and get some internship by learning something new. Now, the quickest way I must say that how you can go and get hired is companies who are nearby, near your location. It's a hack, I must say, because you're directly contacting to the people who are actually nearby your area. So if you're not looking forward to go like long distance and so on, you can directly see in your area what kind of company are actually there inside your area. So I want like digital marketing companies. So I will search on Google Maps, and there you go, all of the things which is there in like my area. I'm getting the spotlight of that. So this is the company, this is the company, this is the company, this is the company, all of the company which are actually there, Zebra Digital Institution, or you can just read all of that. Just go and look for that. You have location, you have like website link over there. Just go, there is a phone number, directly contact them, email your CV from their website. Just go on their website, you will get the email, like contact them, and just go and contact them directly. So this is the quickest way how you can go and contact to the company directly. If you can contact the company directly, there are much more chances that you're not going from a consultancy or something like that. So there are chances of getting hired is improved. Now comes is another one, just dial. So just go on search for like digital marketing. Just go on search on that. You will get the company name. Just go and give a call from your mobile number. They have like call number. Just give them a call. Company are directly going to call and contact you. If not, just go and find the company name, search it on Google, or if there is no search on Google, just go and search it on Facebook. You're going to get the company details from there as well, and that's the way you can go and directly, you have to go and call them if you are not getting any calls. So you're going to get a call if you have registered in so many of the website, but even if you're not getting any call, this is the quickest way by Internshala. People really active on Internshala, they will respond to you in like 2 to 3 days. All right, so next, I told you about Google Maps, I told you about Just Dial. So this is the quickest way how you can go and get hired and how you can go and contact them directly. So that's about it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and useful. Comment it down below if you get any advice from this video or not. For the consultancy, they are going to go and take the money from the company, and if you are going for the company, they might cut your first salary. So if you are directly contacting to the company, that is going to go and give you some benefit about it. So going directly and from consultancy makes some difference. All right, so see you guys next time. My name is Nazir and I'm signing out.